Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make Greek Melitzanosalata, which is an eggplant dip. So we're going to roast these eggplants, and we're going to grate some onion, garlic, parsley, lemon, Kalamata olives on the top, and a little bit of feta, of course with extra virgin olive oil and some beautiful kosher sea salt. Regular table salt is fine. Let me get everything mise en place, and I will show you how to make it. Again, thank you to Sharing Excess for providing us with all of these eggplants. I actually had 8 boxes. I sent half to the high school. Get these into the oven and roast them, and we'll show you how to make it. I'm going to cut my eggplant in half, going to remove the top and then cut them in half and get them into a 425-degree oven and roast them until they are nice and tender, probably 45 minutes. So for our recipe at home, we're just going to use one of these trays, and you can see how tender this is now. So once you've got all of your eggplant drained, you want to take it out of the strainer, and we're going to chop it up and add it to our mixing bowl. And we don't want to chop it up a lot, you're just going to chop up a little bit, like so, and the other direction. This is not like baba ganoush, which is, mixed up in a blender or in a food processor. This we want to have nice big long pieces, nice chunks of eggplant, strips of eggplant. And once you get it all chopped up, we're gonna add it to our mixing bowl. Here are all of our ingredients, and our eggplant has cooled off. It's been drained and chopped after being roasted. And to this, we're going to add our 1/4 cup of grated onion. And just so you know, I grated it on the box grater, like this, on the large holes. So we need a 1/4 cup of our grated onion, a 1/4 cup of our parsley that I finely chopped, 1/4 cup of kosher sea salt. If you don't have kosher sea salt, regular table salt is fine. And the zest of 1 lemon. And I zested it with a microplane zester. If you don't have one of these, on the box grater, you can zest it using this side. And the juice of 1 lemon. I removed the seeds, and this is probably a tablespoon. I'm gonna double check because every lemon is different, so I'll measure this and let you know. Yes, exactly 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of our extra virgin olive oil. And since this is so much in the recipe, make sure it is extra virgin olive oil and a good one that you like the taste of. And then we're just gonna stir this all together. This looks so good. I cannot wait to try it. So this is a good size amount. If you're having a party, this would be a good amount for a party, but I'm just gonna serve the small portion of it for my students. So I'm just gonna plate this on a plate, and then we're gonna garnish it. And what we're gonna garnish it with is the crumbled feta and some Kalamata olives. So let me get this on here. Here we go. Now remember, when you garnish something, we want to make it look pretty. We eat with our eyes first, and if it looks appealing, people want to eat it. So I have middle schoolers, and they're probably going to be like, oh, I don't want to eat eggplant. So we got to make it look pretty. And then we're going to sprinkle some chopped up Kalamata olives around it, and then we're going to put a couple whole Kalamatas right there in the center. And then the last thing, our crumbled, it's 1 tablespoon of crumbled feta. You could go crazy though and add more if you want to, but look, doesn't that look just so pretty and beautiful? And this is great if it's served with some pita toast. There we go, or crackers, but that looks absolutely phenomenal. Can't wait to start eating it. So let me take a bite. This looks so good. It's almost like a salad, not really a dip, in my opinion, but look at that. All of the eggplant roasted so beautifully. Oh, that was so good, so refreshing. What a wonderful thing. I'm so excited for you to try this. Please check out all the videos on my YouTube channel. There's over 440, and I'd really appreciate it if you keep coming back and checking out more. So take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.